Model, 2022 Volkswagen Crafter Trendline 2.0 Automatic Non-Runner Cambelt Euro6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 125,000. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 140 PSR DE2. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped, straightforward repair if you know what you're doing, no VAT to pay, immaculate van somebody will get a bargain very rare automatic model. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it, genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, aircon, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 14,790.